Afghanistan, a landlocked country in the heart of Asia, often evokes images of rugged mountains and arid deserts. Beneath this surface lies a rich tapestry of history and culture. For millennia, Afghanistan has been a crossroads of civilizations, a vital link on the ancient Silk Road. This strategic location fostered a vibrant exchange of ideas and artistic traditions. Among these hidden gems is the Bamiyan Valley, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The valley holds remnants of a glorious artistic past that continue to captivate. Nestled within the cliffs, cave murals from the 6th century whisper tales of a vibrant artistic tradition. The Bamiyan Valley, along the ancient Silk Road, was vital for trade and cultural exchange between East and West. From the 3rd century, Buddhism flourished here, attracting monks, pilgrims, and merchants from China and India. Bamiyan became a center of Buddhist learning, with monasteries and shrines carved into the sandstone cliffs. The valley blended artistic styles from India, Central Asia, Persia, and the Roman Empire. This fusion is evident in the Bamiyan murals, showcasing a synthesis of artistic traditions. The Bamiyan Valley left an enduring legacy through its remarkable artistic treasures. Hidden within the sandstone cliffs of the Bamiyan Valley lie over 800 caves, many adorned with intricate murals that offer a glimpse into a vibrant artistic past. These murals, dating back to the 6th and 7th centuries, are masterpieces of art. They depict life, color, and intricate details, showcasing the skill of the painters. Themes range from religious narratives and scenes from the Buddha's life to local flora and fauna, musicians, dancers, and daily life. Figures are rendered with naturalism, conveying emotions from serenity to joy. Artists used natural pigments like ochre, lapis lazuli, and malachite, creating a vibrant palette that has retained its vibrancy over centuries. The Bamiyan murals showcase an astonishing painting technique. Analysis reveals these murals used oil-based paints, predating European Renaissance oil painting. This challenges established art history narratives. Artists used drying oils from walnuts or poppies as a binding medium. This allowed for subtle color gradations and luminous effects. Oil paint contributed to the mural's remarkable preservation. Section 5. A tapestry of influences, blending East and West. The Bamiyan murals represent a fascinating confluence of artistic traditions. Located at the crossroads of the Silk Road, Bamiyan saw a flow of travelers and ideas. Indian Gupta art influenced the graceful figures and flowing drapery. Sasanian Persian art is seen in the elaborate jewelry and frontal poses. Mythical creatures like griffins and dragons are also present. Roman influence appears in shading and perspective. Bamiyan artists absorbed and transformed these styles, creating a unique artistic vocabulary. The Bamiyan murals stand as a testament to cultural exchange and the Silk Road's legacy. Bamiyan's global impact. The discovery of oil painting in Bamiyan murals challenges assumptions about its origins. Oil painting was attributed to 15th century European artists. Bamiyan murals show this technique was used centuries earlier. This broadens our understanding of art history beyond Europe. Bamiyan murals remind us of artistic innovation in diverse cultures. Tragically, the Bamiyan murals and colossal Buddha statues suffered irreparable damage by the Taliban in 2001. Deemed idolatrous, these works of art were systematically destroyed, sending shockwaves worldwide. The loss represents an immeasurable loss for Afghanistan and humanity. These treasures, embodying centuries of history, were senselessly erased. Despite the devastation wrought by the Taliban, hope remains for the Bamiyan murals. Following the Taliban's fall, international organizations, including UNESCO and the International Council on Monuments and Sites, ICOMOS, have collaborated with Afghan authorities on a long-term project to document, conserve, and where possible, restore the damaged murals. This painstaking work involves stabilizing the fragile cave walls, cleaning and consolidating the remaining paint layers, and using advanced imaging techniques to virtually reconstruct damaged sections. The project faces numerous challenges, including limited resources, security concerns, and the sheer scale of the task. Yet, despite these obstacles, the restoration efforts offer a beacon of hope. They represent a commitment to reclaiming Afghanistan's cultural heritage from the ashes of destruction and ensuring that these ancient masterpieces continue to inspire and educate future generations. The Bamiyan murals, even in their fragmented state, stand as a testament to the enduring power of art. Created over 1,400 years ago, they continue to captivate and inspire with their beauty and artistry. They remind us of the interconnectedness of humanity and the legacy of the Silk Road. Even in adversity, human creativity flourishes. The story of the Bamiyan murals is ultimately a story of resilience. Despite centuries of exposure to the elements, the ravages of time, and the senseless destruction inflicted by the Taliban, these ancient masterpieces continue to inspire awe and wonder. Their survival, albeit in a fragmented state, serves as a powerful reminder of the importance of safeguarding cultural heritage and the need to protect these irreplaceable treasures from the threats they face in today's world. The Bamiyan murals stand as a call for greater understanding and appreciation of Afghanistan's rich cultural heritage. They remind us that beyond the headlines of conflict and strife lies a nation with a deep-rooted history, a vibrant culture, and an artistic legacy that deserves to be celebrated and preserved for generations to come. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.